Hello everyone, and today I will be reading my presentation on Mars rovers, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. So, what are Mars rovers? Mars rovers are specialized robots that were sent to explore certain sections of Mars to see if there was once life and if it is suitable for a civilization. Very interesting. This is Curiosity, I think, yeah. Sure, dope, but it's a very cool picture. Anyways, how does it work? It starts with engineers mapping out the surrounding area and sending a specific line of code or a free line of code. And what I mean by that, from specific and free, what I mean by a specific, I mean that it has rules, so it has to listen strictly to the engineer. And when I say free, I mean that it can make up its own way to solve its problem and get to the objective. So that's what I mean. Telling the rover what to do next. Yeah. When the rover gets to its destination, it will send a postcard of its current location. Nice. Tools that it has to achieve its goals are X-ray spectrometer, an ultraviolet spectrometer, a weather station, probably because of the dust storms, a panoramic camera, which means like full 180 degree view to 360 degree view, a drill so it can drill into rocks, a brush so that it can clean off the rocks, a soil scoop so that it can study the soil, scoop it up and mix it around. Pretty cool. Micro imager so it can see at the microscopic level, so that I can see if there's bacteria or stuff like that. Subsurface radar, I guess to scout out if there's any obstacles. High grip wheels, which is definitely really important because of the mountains and the rocks and the hills and the canyons, you know. Chem, it tells the chemistry of the object. And a messaging system using orbiters collecting and shooting the message to us in the form of radio waves. And when it is collected, it is decoded from numbers to the message. There's a lot of tools. How many are up there? There are about 6 rovers that are at Mars, and they are Sojourner. Is that how you pronounce it? I think it is. Sorry if I butchered it. This is the first of the 6, being launched in 1997 and took 550 pictures during its 83-day lifespan. That's a lot, but I think I take more pictures than that. Spirit and Spirit and Opportunity. They are kind of like identical twins, and they were launched in 2003. June 10th, with Opportunity being launched almost a month later in 2003, July 7th. Wow. Curiosity. This was launched in 2012 and weighs 2,000 pounds, 1 imperial ton. It's pretty heavy. It also has more advanced tools and looks a little bit more like WALL-E. I like WALL-E. It is also still operational, so that's pretty good. Sorry if I butchered that. This is China's first rover on another planet, and it looks even more like WALL-E, like with the box, and it's pretty cool. And it was launched in July 23rd, 2020. Perseverance. This is very recent, also being launched in 2020. And is a massive 2,314 pounds. That's 340 pounds heavier than Curiosity. It must be huge. Like, I think they are at least the size of cars. Yeah. So they're huge. They're really huge. But definitely, these ones are definitely much tinier. I think this one is a little bit smaller as well. And it comes with a buddy called Ingenuity. So I think it's definitely a first for NASA to have a little drone, I guess I can say. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, whoops. Fun facts about Mars rovers. Fact number 1. Did you know that Perseverance uses 85% of the same technology as Curiosity? That's crazy. I guess it's just to be safe, Fact number 2. Did you know that Spirit traveled 7.73 kilometers in its 6 years lifespan? Wow. It kind of seems like not a lot and a lot, at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's really, really sad what happened to Spirit. I feel bad for it. I think one of its wheels got stuck in the soil, and then it was on an angle where it couldn't get sunlight, and that's how its battery ran out. That's really sad. You were a good rover, Spirit. You were a good rover. Fact number 3. Did you know that Opportunity had a wake-up playlist? So, this is actually really cool. I think the story is where NASA, to wake up the team and get them motivated for operating Opportunity, you play playlist. So yeah, I'll actually link it in the description. It's really interesting. And here are my sources. And here are some other nice links. So yeah, the playlist and all the other links will be in the description. And the end. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed, because I certainly did. Because these are some pretty nice robots. So yeah. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you learned something new. And I'll see you in my next video.